awkward. It's rolling thunder, y'all. We're en route to Thunder Alley so we can see Big Daddy. Y'all walking awfully slow. They're always behind me, aren't they? Didn't y'all see who was in Georgetown? They was behind me. So I'm the only one. If you take your thumb out your mouth, you can walk faster. Oh. Was that a problem? You didn't like what I said about your thumb? It's okay. You can deal with it. All right. We are on Connecticut, approaching H Street. We are going to cross over on the other side of Daddy, Sebastian. Thank you. See the White House side? North side, it's the front. You've seen it so many times, you're not interested?
I'm still interested. It's just that we have other things to do.
That's right, we do have other things to do. I'm so glad you said that. We have other things to do, and it's not important to see the White House right now. I'm glad you just completely just said no. This is what happens when your children see the White House and the Washington Monument and the museums. Often, the novelty wears off. But we're gonna make it down here to Constitution so we can hopefully see Big Daddy. Sebastian, stay on the other side of Sire. Walk on the other side of Sire. Walk over there. You can.
My nose is too big.
Your nose is too big? His nose is too big. Let's cross on Madison. Let's go down Madison. Or do you want to go down the main street? We'll see. You almost there, Sire? You hot? Where's Daddy? They far back because they not walking for real. Coming up on Constitution. Constitution. So, come on, walk up. We are approaching the African American History Museum, which will be up towards our left. So, get some shots of that.
Is that my VIDA?
What? The African American History Museum? Yep. Come on, let's keep walking. I'll show you. You see it right there? Look like upside down pyramid.
Come on, where is it?
The Cumber.
Is that necessary to, for that yelling? It's right there. You see it? Right there, Sire. What else are you looking at? I don't know what you looking at.
That's the American history.
No, this is the African American history. course, we have the monument over here, right? Come on.
Are they catching up now?
Catching up. See? There's nobody there. Nobody but a sea of cleared highway. Waiting for those bikes to come flying through, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, buddy.
Is it over here?
They're gonna come down the street right here.
Oh. So, is this where we're gonna watch it?
No, we're gonna walk down to where we normally watch it.
Oh, okay.
So we're right here.
We've never seen it beginning before. This is dope. Here they come. See? It's all right, sire. It's just the bite. He doesn't know where we're gonna be at. So he doesn't know where we're gonna be at. Come on. All right. Stay back here, Bash. Stay right here. Huh? We can't go down there. You see the sign? You want to sit down right here? Oh, sit down. No, we can't go over there. It's gonna come back.
Why does it say no waiting?
Waiting means you would take your shoes off and you would walk around.
Wow!
You can't do that.
And a motorcycle.
A lot of motorcycles?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. It is blazing hip hop and R&B outside.
Can people throw pennies?
I'm not sure. I don't think you're supposed to. Yeah. You got it in your eye. Let me see. That's all right. I'll get it out later. Sebastian, no. All right, I'm hungry. was it for you guys?
Always awesome, man.
It was awesome.
Yeah, man. They always come with something new. You see some new type of motorcycle. This year's theme was the 3-wheel motorcycle.
I know. It was a lot of 3-wheelers out there.
There was some nice ones though. So some monkey bars, one that had the high one.
It's some monkey bars.
I think that's what they're called. I'm not sure. But I got pictures of some of them. Maybe like 3 or 4 that I really like. Yeah, that's some really nice ones out there. It was loud this year too, man.
Yeah.
The only thing that's bothered me, I didn't bother you too. And people are like, you're not supposed to stand in the street.
I don't like when they're so close to the intersection. It's like they're so close.
They're gonna get hit.
Yeah, it's like they want to risk being able to see all the way down the street.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not that pressed. I will wait till they pass me. It's good. That's so aggravating. The cop got to keep coming by telling you to move back, move back.
Yeah, I don't like that one. So overall, it was fun. We had our hot dogs. We had our drinks.
Yep.
You know, heard some hogs, and it didn't rain this year.
I know.
It's still
scheduled
nice
to rain. Rain is on deck, but it has not appeared yet.
I really appreciate that.
So, Rolling Thunder 2018, success.
And we got to see Big Daddy too. We had the head.
I was about to close it out.
I'm sorry.
That was it.
That's what I'm saying. We go. The reason why we go is to go see Big Daddy, which is.
Yeah, that's the reason why we go.
Ebony's dad has a Harley Davidson, and he's a veteran from the military, so
yeah,
that's one of the big reasons we go. To kind of
that is our personal tribute. I mean, because Memorial Day is basically to recognize, reflect, and honor those that have served and have fallen. So you have 2 holidays like that. This is Memorial Day is when you honor the ones that have fallen. Veterans Day, you honor the ones who survived and came back home. So, my dad served. United States Marine Corps, Vietnam vet. So, that's why we go down. We trying to get out of DC.